friends, welcome to crispy crunchy cooking. So today I'm making a very delicious and tasty snack. It will be very crunchy and crispy from outside but very soft from inside, and it's healthy and tasty soya sticks. And as you know, soya is full of so many nutrients. So kindly watch it and do tell me how you find the video. Come on, let's watch it. So friends, we are making crispy soya sticks. So I have taken these soya sticks, and I'll tell you what to do. Then we have taken cornflakes. You don't have to just mash them smoothly, just roughly, okay, like this. Then we have taken curd for marination, and now I'll tell you what to do. First of all, we will add salt according to the taste. Then I will add some oregano. Then it will come peri peri, okay, and this is sweet paprika. I have not taken that chili one, okay, a small portion of this also. And now I'll add some ginger garlic powder, and we will mix all of these things very nicely. Then we will take some kasuri methi or fenugreek, and we'll mix them all very nicely like this. And now we will take these and coat them, okay. And we will coat all of them like this, okay. So friends, we have marinated them, and we have put cuts also in them so that the spices may go deep inside it, okay. And now we will keep it inside the fridge for at least 30 minutes, okay. So friends, we have taken corn flour in this, and now we will add salt, and then we will add oregano. Then we will also add garlic powder. Then again we will add this piri piris, and at last we will add water, and we will mix them, okay. So we have made the mixture, and now we'll do one thing. We'll dip them in these, and we'll coat them with this, okay. So friends, we have coated them with corn flakes. You can coat them with breadcrumbs also. See, they are looking so good. And now we will keep them aside for 10 minutes in the fridge, and then we will fry them. तो फ्रेंड्स, अब हम इनको फ्राई कर लेंगे. हमारा ऑयल जो है गरम हो गया है. Our oil is ready, and we will fry them, okay. At a time I will fry 3, okay. So friends, see, they are turning golden brown, and they are looking so crunchy, crispy, and so tasty. We'll turn them and make them more crisp, okay. So friends, see, they've turned such a golden brown. I will take them out and put them in the tissue so that extra oil may come out. Wow, isn't it? They're looking like KFC chicken like this. So I've taken them out, and I will fry rest of them also like this. So we are frying rest of them also like this, okay. So friends, so yummy, tasty, our crispy, crunchy soya sticks are ready, and they are looking like just KFC. And you can't imagine, they are very, very yummy and delicious. So kindly try it at home, and do tell me how you find this recipe. Next time I'll be there with something new. Up till then, take care, goodbye, and love to you all, my sweet and dear friends.